Hello everyone, this is Ben from the Popcoin team, and today I'm going to show you a quick overview of how popcoin.gg works, the functionality, the user interface, all the kind of things you need to know in order to get started and have some fun trading binary options based on crypto. So popcoin.gg simply is the URL you need to enter, and once you arrive on our website, I'm already logged into our test account in order to show you around. Let me give you a quick overview of the interface. So up here you have the main navigation. You'll find some information on how it works, some frequently asked questions, some account information. You can change your password, refer a friend, and of course your wallet, where you can store ETH, USDC, or USDT as the currency to trade with. And then we have the main section. Here you have some statistics on current activity on the platform. And here is where it really gets interesting. You have various markets. Here are some selected, but you can also click this button to view all the markets available. And you can also use this tab to see which trade durations are available for these trading pairs. So for our sake, let's use BTC USDT as an example. As you can see, the current payout ratio is 62%. So if I do make a right prediction, then I'll get my initial trade volume back plus 62% of that. And down here you can see the price development. And now here is where you can actually configure your trade or your predictions. So the market that we selected is BTC USDT. Now we have to select a trade duration, and I'll go for 30 seconds just for demonstration purposes. And now I'm going to wager 5 USDT. And given the current drop, I think the price is going to increase. So I'm going to buy an option, and let's see how it pans out. And now this is sort of like the last section of the interface. Down here, you can see currently open position and then past positions. We'll have a look in just a second. So right now we're losing, but oh yes, that's what I wanted to see. So this is going the right direction. We have a couple of seconds left. Fingers crossed that it all works out. But as of right now, I'm pretty confident. 3, 2, 1, and that's a win. Nice. So we just made 3.1 USDT. As quick as that. That's the power of popcoin.gg. And now if you select past positions, you can actually see that trade. And once you accumulate more trades, you can filter through various markets, select the period that you want to analyze. And of course, you can also have multiple positions simultaneously. So for example, let's go, actually, I think now the price is going to decrease. So I'll go for 1 minute and then sell. Now, fingers crossed that the price actually goes below that line here. And now I'm also going to go for a 30-second one that I'm going to sell as well right now. So let's see. So we wagered 10 USDT in total. Right now, both are losing. Not what we were hoping for, but let's see. A couple more seconds until we know how the bets worked out. There's also a chat down below where you can just have a bit of fun with others. A couple seconds. Okay, first position lost, not so great. Let's see how the rest goes. 10 more seconds, come on. Drop below this line. This is what we want. That unfortunately did not work out. Anyway, so not the greatest of results, but I guess I have to up my prediction game a little bit. Also, if you just want to test it out, you actually don't need to create an account for that. You can select fun mode up here, and then you'll simply have sort of paper currency called fun. You can wager, I don't know, 5. Let's select a different market actually. Let's go optimism. And okay, price increased. We only have 3 minutes and 5 minutes available. So actually I want to go for something that's rather shorter term. So I'm going to select one of these, which also have 30 seconds. Let's go with ETH. Here we are. And we're going to say I want a 30-second prediction, and I'm going to wager 5 fun. And this time the short is going to work. Come on. And yeah, this is basically it. As simple as that, as fun as that. So try it out. Let us know what you think. We're always happy to get feedback. We want to develop the product further. But this is how you use popcoin.gg. Make short-term predictions, have fun doing that. And yeah, in another video, I will show you how to create an account. There's various options, how to do that, and then also how to deposit and withdraw funds that you can interact with. Let's see the fund positions. Well, and one more thing, do better than I did today, but I think that should be an easy feat. So with that, all the best. We'll see each other in another video. Until then, bye.